Hello again folks, and welcome to my latest competition time video, and in fact this time it's a double competition time with two prizes. The first and main prize being this action camera, and there'll be an additional second prize which will consist of some electronic kits, some consumables and some components that are going to help you enjoy your hobby. So I'll take you through the camera first before I explain how you can enter and the reason for there being two prizes. So yeah, it's this Kitvision Escape HD5 action camera. I've previously given away one of these in the channel, and despite it only being 720p at 30 frames per second, it does record reasonably good footage, and it's certainly going to be useful in a situation where you don't want to risk destroying an expensive GoPro. It's got a 5 megapixel photo mode, 120 degree ultra wide angle lens, and when you use the included waterproof housing, you can take it down to 30 meters. In addition to the housing, you're getting a bicycle mount, a helmet mount, some self-adhesive mounts, 90 degree mount adapter and mounting clips, in addition to the USB cable and the battery and, sticky pads and all that sort of good stuff. And yeah, it's not a bad little camera. It's 100% compatible with the GoPro mounting system. So, if there isn't a suitable mount contained in the box, you're sure to get one cheap as chips on eBay or Amazon. So yeah, not a bad little prize, I'm sure you will agree. Okay, so how do you enter this competition? Well, I'm going to do it slightly different this time, and the reason for that is a result of YouTube and a change they made on creators' channels. And I do use the term creator quite loosely, as I am not a creator. I'm somebody that's rubbish at electronics, that makes rubbish electronic kits and makes rubbish videos about them. So yeah, I'm not a creator. But YouTube removed the facility whereby people could direct message me, and I miss that facility. I used to get quite a lot of people messaging me, asking questions and opinions on stuff, and maybe looking for the odd bit of help, and I no longer get that anymore, which is rather disappointing. So I thought the easiest and most accessible way of doing that and getting that facility back would be to create a Facebook page for the channel, which I have indeed done. No expense spared, no fancy on-screen graphics. I just use my Dymo label printer. But yeah, that is the URL to it, facebook.com/YouTube Chris. Now, what I want that page to be is a hub where I can share things with you, you can share things with me, you can direct message me, and all that good stuff, and we're going to get that facility back. So, how are we going to use Facebook to enter the competition? Well, this video that you're watching now will be on that page as a post. And what I'd like to do is the conditions that you can enter is you've got to be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. Obviously, that's how it works. I want you to go to that URL, go to the page. I'd like you to like the page, and I'd like you to share the post that this video is in. Once both that post and the page have each got 100 likes, I will do the prize draw. Now, that 100 is quite, ambitious, I think, but I've actually done the math, and that sort of basically works out at my current subscriber count as 1.15% of my subscribers. If 1.15% of my subscribers do that on Facebook, then the prize draw will go ahead. Okay, so the reason for there being two prizes. Well, I absolutely get that not everybody wants to give Mr. Zuckerberg all the personal details. I'll level with you. I get it. It doesn't bother me. I get that people don't use it. So to keep it in this, in good spirit, I will continue to do a prize draw for the time being in the comments of this video on YouTube. So, as always, if you want to enter the prize draw, not on Facebook, if you pop a comment down below in this video, I will do a second prize draw for those electronic kits and bits and pieces. The only condition of that is that I will only do the prize draw once the Facebook page and the post get 100 likes. Does that make sense? So just a super quick recap. Go to the Facebook page, like the page, be a subscriber and share the post. Once the post and the page have got 100 subscribers, 100 likes and shares respectively, I will do the prize draw both for the camera and a separate prize draw using the comments of this YouTube video. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, of course, pop them down below or ask them on the Facebook page, and I'll explain it just in case I've rambled on and that's not crystal clear. So yeah, thanks very much for watching this video. Go and do all the business on Facebook. The link will be down in the description below. And yeah, I'll look forward to doing the prize draw and getting this sent out to you. Of course, I should have mentioned this will be sent anywhere in the world at my cost. It will cost you absolutely nothing to enter, and you're going to get a reasonably good prize. Not the numero uno prize, as Richard O'Brien would say in a Crystal Maze, but a not too bad prize. Thanks for watching. Of course, if you aren't already a subscriber and you'd like to consider subscribing, click on my fat head down here. Give me the thumbs up, give me the thumbs down, add your comments, whatever you want to do. It's all good interaction. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves. And as always, all the best.